This is the principal of Tsokhyil Township Ethnic Boarding Primary School in Amdo, Tibet, caught on video beating a Tibetan child. Dang Qingfu is also the local Communist Party secretary. This footage, leaked on Chinese social media, has gone viral, exposing what's hidden behind the walls of China's colonial boarding schools in Tibet. These schools, run by the Chinese government, force Tibetan children as young as 3 to live away from their families. Behind closed doors, reports have emerged of physical abuse, neglect, and even fatalities. Just in October, a student reportedly died in a similar school in Amdo Repgong. And these kids can't leave. They're forced to be there, or else their parents face punishment by the government. Sometimes they literally rip the children from their homes. This isn't education, it's forced assimilation. It's the erasure of the Tibetan identity. Demand an end to China's colonial boarding schools in Tibet. Share this video, raise awareness, protect Tibet's children before it's too late.